Why do 60% of construction site injuries happen due to poor fire safety? Let's ensure you're not part of that statistic. Fire safety and emergency preparedness are essential for your safety. Let's take a minute to ensure you know what to do in case of an emergency. Know your site's emergency procedures, exits, and assembly points. These are critical. Your life could depend on it. If you spot a fire, sound the alarm immediately. Warn those around you and call emergency services. Only fight the fire if you've been trained and it's safe. Always keep your escape route clear. When it's time to evacuate, stay calm. Don't collect belongings, avoid elevators, and stay low if there's smoke. Once outside, go to the assembly point and wait for instructions. Don't re-enter the building until it's safe. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Stay prepared, stay safe. For more essential safety tips and informative videos, subscribe to our channel or visit us at www.hseworkplace.com.